continents. It's time to move on to the next continent. Let us look into the second smallest continent now. Any guess which is the continent? Yes, it's Europe. The European continent is located completely in the northern hemisphere and mainly in the eastern hemisphere. Europe borders on to Arctic Ocean in the north and the Atlantic Ocean in the west and the Mediterranean Sea in the south. There are 50 countries in Europe with a total of more than 742 million people living on the continent. The European part of Russia covers more area than any other countries. The three largest countries are Russia, Ukraine and France. Moscow is the largest city that is entirely on the European continent. Vatican City is the smallest country not only in Europe but also in the world. The city-state and enclave within Italy is the smallest country both by population and by size. Greenland is the largest island which belongs to Europe and is commonly referred to as the largest island in the world. The biggest island in Europe is Great Britain or UK. Hum in Croatia is the smallest town not only in Europe but in the world. The town has only 21 inhabitants. Istanbul, the biggest city in Turkey, is commonly referred to as Europe's largest city. However, Istanbul is located on two continents. The western part belongs to Europe while the eastern part belongs to the Asian continent. Istanbul houses about 17 million people. The most densely populated country is Monaco. Europe is the continent with the highest population density, which means on the European continent lives the biggest number of people per square kilometers. Kazakhstan is the largest landlocked country in Europe and in the world. Mount Elbrus in Russia is the highest mountain in Europe. The highest peak in the European Alps is Mont Blanc. The Alps are also the longest and highest mountain range that is located entirely in Europe. The Volga River in Russia is Europe's longest river. Most important commercial waterway is Danube. The port of Rotterdam in the Netherlands is the largest and busiest container port in Europe. Norway has the longest coastline in Europe with over 100,000 kilometers and it is the second longest in the world. Lake Ladoga near St. Petersburg in Russia is Europe's biggest lake and one of the world's largest freshwater lake. The Rhine Falls in Switzerland is the largest plain waterfall in Europe. Most European languages belong to either the Romance language, the Germanic language, or the Slavic languages. Russian is the language with most native speakers, while English as a lingua franca is the language spoken by most people as the first and second language. The five most spoken native languages in Europe are Russian, German, French, English, Turkish and Italian. Most of the European people are Christians and there are smaller number of Muslims and Jews and other beliefs. About 80% of all Europeans consider themselves as atheists or not religious. About 39% of the land area in Europe is grassland and are used for growing crops. 5 out of the 10 tourist destinations in the world are located in Europe. France is the number 1 tourist destination in the world with about 90 million international tourist arrivals per year.